Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the Universal Wireless CarPlay Auto Car Radio Multimedia Video Player. The Universal Wireless CarPlay Auto Car Radio from ANYFAR is a modern multimedia player designed to enhance your car's entertainment system. It features a 6.86-inch HD touchscreen display that delivers clear visuals, making it suitable for various vehicles. This car radio supports both wired and wireless connections for CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing hands-free calls, navigation, music streaming, and video watching directly from the stereo. It also allows for phone screen mirroring using a USB cable, providing a larger display for viewing when parked. The Type-C fast charging port ensures your phone stays charged during your drive. With an 18 preset built-in FM radio, you can easily switch between stations. Its Bluetooth functionality offers hands-free calling, phone book downloading, and music playback. The player supports high-capacity storage devices like TF cards and U-discs for direct song or movie access. It is compatible with steering wheel controls and includes reversing display support with a compatible camera. Additionally, it has AUX input, multiple playback modes, and 6 preset equalizer settings for audio customization. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.